Блядь, сука, ты посмотри, чувак, козлятина.
Подождем, пока наши УАЗики вернутся. Зато $100 сэкономим. Ну что, нормально, что ли?
There's nothing there for them to get that was traumatising me as a mum.
Danielle, but without sanitary products, so the children could eat.
I couldn't explain the details, but tissue. And practically wash myself maybe 3-4 times a day so I felt clean.
In one part of Oldham, 6 out of 10 children are growing up in poverty. We met Liam and Bucky, brothers, playing Kirby with their mum Crystal outside the house.
Yeah, come to me for a Kirby. Yes, I'm running for it to have a chance and it's just not.
Kurwa.
Эх ты!